Hey, Cy Walker here with Mimo Monitors. We're here today at the Dallas E4 with Exertis Almo. We're showing today our new Mimo Myst line of products. So this is a Zoom room setup. So basically you can start your meeting. It works with our MCT Android displays, like for the room scheduler outside the conference room. You can see that this would represent the large screen TV. You got your camera working, so totally functional there. End the meeting. Leave the meeting, the room becomes available again. Bingo, real easy. This is showing our AV over IP Google Meet solution. So really cool solution with Meet, Teams, etc. So you got an HDMI cable on the table, plugged into here. This is a Cat5 behind your TV, so you can run Cat5, big time difference. You can run Cat5 long distances, and then just plug into the HDMI port for like a guest coming in that wants to do a presentation, etc. This is the Unify Meeting. It's another meeting software solution. So you're basically, it's for the home user, your small office. So all your user I/O stays the same. It doesn't matter if it's a Zoom meeting, a Google Meet meeting, a Teams meeting, a Blue Jeans, or whatever the meeting is. Your I/O will always stay the same. So you can, leave the meeting, start the meeting, do all your chats, everything, all in the same place. So it works. There's your calendar of all your upcoming events. Then we have it's a cap system. This is really cool. It's something new that we're just now showing. Basically, it's for like an emergency system. So I can take over all the displays that I have on my network. So we're actually have linked to this one here. So if I say there's a emergency, you can see here, if a big time emergency, see it takes over the whole screen. And you can have warnings for like shooter alerts or whatever that our emergency may be. And then we're having of course, bright sign built in. We do from 10-inch to 32-inch in bright sign. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening, and go visit us at www.mimomonitors.com.